Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the Topper Chef. Today we're going to make Singapore noodles. Before we go with this video, I want you to like, share and subscribe and visit our blog at topperchef.com. Okay, for our Singapore noodles recipe, we are going to need first is the noodles. This is the Thai vermicelli kind of noodles. You have to cut it in small and cook that. And so we have celery, carrots, red onion, this is scallions, peppers and green pepper and red pepper, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, curry powder, and then some shrimp and an egg. So all this description, the weights and measures is at the description box below. Okay, so first of all, for the Singapore noodles, we have to cook the noodles or vermicelli. So my boiling water is hot. It's come to a boil. Go with the instructions which is there how to cook this. So this is how I do it. Let this soak for 1 minute in this water. And when it's ready, just drain it out properly. While my noodles are getting ready, I've chopped all my vegetables and everything. And this I'm gonna drain completely. So these are my noodles which is drained and ready. Look at this strand. It has to be nice and cold so it doesn't stick together when we are sauteing this dish. Okay, to begin with, for the Singapore noodles, I'm gonna pour some oil and fry the egg. My egg is beaten well and I'm gonna pour this. Okay, this is let it cook and then I'm gonna take it out. In the same pan, I'm gonna fry my shrimp. And these are my shrimps, 8 shrimps. Here you are. Just for a minute on each side. Okay, so now flip it. The shrimps cook real fast. Here you are. Wow. You don't want it to get overcooked so it shrivel up. Okay, now I'm gonna take this out. Here you are. Put it out in the same pan which we have the eggs. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off now. Okay, I'm gonna put some oil now and we're gonna start stir frying all the vegetables. This is all the vegetables we're gonna put in. First we put the onions. And this doesn't take a long time, so put the onions, the garlic. Oh, the aroma is really good. The ginger. Okay, stir fry this. Oh wow. Okay, so now we put all our vegetables. First put the celery, it takes a little longer to cook. And with the carrots, just stir fry this on a high heat. Okay, now everything on high. I put all my vegetables in. I put the powder, and my noodle. Now saute this well with the vegetables so the flavor of the curry powder comes into it. Oh wow, look at that, amazing. Okay, here you put your soy sauce, gives that salty taste to it. Move this around. Let this cook well. Now we add the shrimps. You don't want to add any salt to this because the soy sauce has salt. Okay, so now stir fry this properly. Wow, look at this. Okay guys, this is ready now. This is how it's gonna look. Fantastic, easy Singapore noodles. Okay, so now let this just close it for a minute or so. All your noodles is cooked and then you can serve it. Here you are, the noodles. All the vegetables. Mix and match it properly. And then add your shrimps. Of course, the garnish goes on top of it, which is a little cilantro and little scallions. Voila, here's the Singapore noodles. Enjoy, happy cooking.